see how high this dryer is cycling at. It seems to keep blowing thermal fuses. Usually when you get blown thermal fuses, it's something to do with the venting. They do have a rigid venting on this machine, but it runs all the way across the house. So we'll see how high this thing's cycling, and hopefully it's not too high and causes the thermal fuse to blow again. So I've got my meter set up with a little thermostat wire inside the dryer. So that sound there was it cycling off. That little click. So those numbers should start coming down. This is just the initial swing up, so it might go a little higher than it normally would during its back and forth phase it's about to do. So we'll see how low this guy drops. So it's good that it cycled off like that, but what we want to see is this number start to come back up, because if it doesn't come back up, we might have just blown a thermostat again. I think I just heard it click. Yeah, so it's starting to come back up. Maybe while we're waiting, I'll show you the venting here. So it runs up to the roof and then goes out through the wall that way, continues up over there and keeps running, and now we're pretty much across the house and goes out somewhere over there.